Hi, my name is Olav Krøger, and I'm a designer on the LEGO Star Wars line. Since the exit of the old Sandcrawler, we had a very deep wish to make a new and more accurate Ultimate Collector's Sandcrawler. So, here it is. You see, it's a very big model with a lot of different lines on it. You can take off the roof of the model like this, and you can take this part off too. In the movie there is a hose who is coming down and suck up R2-D2 like this, and then he can be put it in here and fall down there. Then you also have a function like this, and the vehicle is driving out like this, and of course they have the droids in them. You can also open it up here to the control room. Up from here they control the whole Sandcrawler. It can also drive, you see here, and if you see from the behind here, this wheel, you can steer it, and when you steer it, it can drive like this. The Sandcrawler is also coming with a huge lineup of new exclusive minifigures. You see here there is 2 new Jawas, there's 2 of each, there's Luke, there is a new Uncle Owen, and there is a new C-3PO. There are 2 units who has been before, and there is also a brand new R2 unit. And then we also have 3 new build-up droids. And then, as an extra little surprise, there's in here, hidden, 6 different barrels and boxes. And in them, there are some parts you can collect and build an extra little droid out of. As you see, I think this is actually the biggest driving LEGO model we ever have built it. And I hope you will enjoy it as much as I have done. Have fun with it.